Ecology and environment. This is part 1 lesson. In this lesson, I will explain the introduction of ecology. Ecology introduction. Ecology, this word derived from Greek words. Oikos means house, logos means study. Ecology is the study of relationship of organisms with environment, said by Ernest Haeckel. Ecology. Ecology of a single species we called ecology. This is also called species ecology or population ecology. It deals with the dynamics of the species population and study of changes in population sizes over a period of time. Synecology. It's a branch of ecology which deals the structure, development, distribution of ecological communities. That means community dynamics. Importance of ecology. The knowledge of organisms, environment and interrelationships is vital for the conservation of nature. The negligence or ignorance towards natural resources and the mother nature gradually led to the disintegration of nature. Organisms and environment. Organisms and its environment. Physiological ecology. It means ecology at organism level. Physiological ecology is the study of adaptation of an organism to environments in terms of survival and reproduction. The rotation of Earth and the tilt of its axis cause annual variations in temperature and seasons. Major biomes like desert, rainforest, tundra, etc. are formed due to these variations and precipitation like rain and snow. Regional and local variations within a biome lead to the formation of different habitats. Life exists even in extreme and harsh habitats. For example, Rajasthan desert and rain-soaked Meghalaya forests. You can see here deep ocean trenches and terrestrial streams. Permafrost, snow-laden polar regions, high mountain tops, thermal springs and compost pits. These are the different habitats. Our intestine is a habitat for many microbes. You can see here biotic and abiotic components. The physico-chemical components means abiotic components like water, light, temperature, soil, etc. and biotic components like pathogens, parasites, predators and competitors, etc. lead to variation of different habitats. The distinct role and position of an organism in its environment is called niche. By this, each organism tolerates various conditions, utilizes various resources, etc. Levels of organization. Ecology is concerned with 4 levels of biological organization. organisms, populations, communities, and biomes. Ecological hierarchy. Ecological organization consists of 11 integrative levels from cell to ecosphere. Cell it forms the tissue, and tissue it forms the organ forms the organ system and then organism, population, community, ecosystem, landscape, biome, and finally biosphere, that is the ecosphere. These are the 11 integrative levels are there. This is the ecological hierarchy. Population. It's a group of organisms of the same species living in a specific area at a specific time. If you take one example, a fish belongs to the specific species called Katla Katla. Population are regulated by a set of factors such as natality, mortality, and population density. Community. It's an association of the interacting members of populations of different autotrophic and heterotrophic species in a particular area. Community is named after its dominant population. For example, the Himalayan region is dominated by pine and deodar trees. It is called pine deodar community. Ecosystem. It is a functional unit of biosphere in which members of community interact among themselves and with the surrounding environment. An ecosystem can be as small as an aquarium or a big ocean. Ecosystems sometimes may overlap, the boundaries are flexible. Landscape. It is a unit of land containing different ecosystems surrounded by natural boundaries. It is the level of organization higher than ecosystem. Biome. A biome is a large community of plants and animals that occupies a vast region. Terrestrial biomes are characterized by specific climates and dominant vegetation. Example, here tropical rainforest, desert, coniferous forest, tundra, etc. Aquatic biomes include freshwater biomes and marine water biomes. Biosphere or ecosphere. All the habitable zones of the earth constitute this biosphere. It is a part of the earth that supports the life. The biosphere comprises all the earth's biomes. Environment. It is the sum total of biotic and abiotic factors present around the organisms, influencing them in various ways. Any component of environment that influences the organism is called environmental factor. Environmental factors are three types. They are climatic, topography, and edific factor. Climate. Average weather conditions like temperature, humidity, cloud cover, wind, velocity, and rainfall, etc. These are climatic factors. Topography. Surface features such as altitude of a place, that is topography, and edific factors. It's related to the soil and they influence the life of organisms. It includes the soil texture, pH, organic content, and water, etc. Habitat. It's a place which an organism lives. It's like a address. Niche. It's a functional role of an organism in an ecosystem. It's like a profession. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and share with your friends.